other countries have full-fledged GMO labeling laws, no other states currently do. Now, hoping to avoid potential gaps in the law, the Attorney General's office is holding a series of public meetings to jumpstart a conversation about possible scenarios that could be accounted for in the law and corresponding rules and guidelines.
What the Act actually says is that food offered for retail sale in Vermont must be labeled if it is produced with genetic engineering. It's simple as that.
The Vermont Attorney General's office recently crafted a draft of rules to help clarify Act 120, more commonly known as the Genetic Engineering Food Labeling Rule.
Soybeans, canola, alfalfa, sugar beets, and cottonseed oil. Those are the big ones that occur in the food system.
The law, which is set to take effect in July 2016, will require sellers of foods and drinks in Vermont to explicitly label foods that do and do not contain genetically modified components. Now, the attorneys are looking for feedback on a corresponding set of rules for the legislation. The first of a series of public meetings was held in Burlington on Tuesday.
I don't have a third-party certifier like that, non-GMO verifier. Because as a small producer, for them to come and verify us, it's a lot of money.
While some asked logistical questions about enforcement, others expressed concern about the possible repercussions.
But the point is this law would put us at a competitive disadvantage with other people that are in our industry.
Whose lab is going to be doing the testing on this? Is the state prepared with their own laboratory to do the testing to back up what is in the law? Because that test can start at $500 and goes up from there.
My understanding is that the Department of Agriculture is already ramping up for a different reason to enable the kind of polymerase testing and other kinds of testing that are required to determine whether food has genetically modified components.
The Attorney General hopes to finalize the rules by the beginning of January. Meanwhile, there is also a lawsuit pending against the state for the new labeling law. The Attorney General tells us that even if Vermont wins the case, the state will likely spend more than $1 million in the process. Live in the newsroom, I'm Allison Carey, WPTZ News Channel 5.
Thanks, Allison. Other GMO meetings are scheduled this week. Tomorrow night at the State House in Montpelier. That one's from 5 to 7. The last meeting will be Friday in Brattleboro at the Marlborough College graduate campus in room 2E, and that lasts from 3:30 to 5:30. Vermont, by the way, is the first state to sign a GMO law. On Election Day, voters in Colorado and Oregon will vote on laws similar to it. The similar laws, though, have failed in California and Washington State.